God, I look obese.
We are.
Wait.
Gonna make some coffee. Café de olla. It's my favorite when I come to my mama's house.
No,
No?
de la otra sí.
Now we're
I gotta
doing
make
some
my coffee.
sugar. You're gonna ground the coffee?
I already grounded it.
Oh.
I just have to make it.
Having a coffee at, what time is it? 10:36 p.m. Before we go to sleep and go on our little vacation
You're
tomorrow
gonna sleep?
morning.
That's crazy.
I am. I need some sleep. Yeah, we're going to California in a few hours. So I'm so excited.
Vienen en el momento y les gusta andar ahí.
Creamer, it is. You just put a dash espresso shot, which I just made a couple minutes, seconds ago. And then, yep.
Yummy.
¿Eso no va a dormir?
No voy a dormir porque tiene que empacar.
And then,
That's right, you need energy to pack. Cheers.
my 2 degrees.
Finally made it to
Did you
the
keep us
room
on or no?
here. It's so
Right there.
gloomy.
In your face.
See that? It's so gloomy. It's only
Ooh, this is low.
3:58. And it's so dark.
Heck yeah, huh?
Very dark. But we're still gonna go to the beach. So right now we're resting and then we'll get ready and then we'll go to the beach and we'll have our bonfire because that's already in the plan. Nothing's gonna change it. Unless it starts like pouring. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Yeah, that's the plan. Even though our chocolate is probably melted because it's a little bit toasty today. So it's okay. We'll figure something out. We just got to the beach now and it's still raining, not too much, but it is. But we're still gonna have our bonfire because there's just like another group of people having one and we're still gonna have ours. Yeah, there's nobody here, so it looks nice and clean, but the water is crazy, so we're just gonna get close to look at it and take pictures because it's very scary. The waves are pretty wild right now. The sun came out a little bit. The waves are still a little crazy, but much better. There's nothing. Ah! Mondo's starting the fire right now, so. So pretty. Now Here. Big thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Super gloomy day. We're all ready to go. We're gonna go get some coffee. Supposedly it's 8:15. What am I talking about? We're going for the car. We're not going for the car. We're going to the coffee shop. Silly me. We're like,
That's why she needs the coffee.
yeah. It's too early. It is. What time is it? 8:15. We're walking across the street to get coffee, and then we're gonna get our lift from there and go to the park. So, time to go to Disneyland. Where's everybody? Where's Leilani? You better spin. We're still here. Going to our second to last ride. Leilani, stop flirting, Leilani.
I'm not.
Just trying.
It's just in my head.
Okay, we are done for today. Ya nos vamos. ¿Ya nos vamos? Yeah,
Sí, ya.
we're done. Done for the day.
De 8 a 8?
We didn't get here at 8.
Oh, 9?
Yeah. We are back in the room. It's 8:30. And I'm so tired. We are all so tired. But it was so much fun. So much fun. The last ride got me a little bit dizzy, but it was so worth it. And yeah, it was a really, really good time. We actually got on quite a few rides today. But which one was your guys' favorite ride?
Sky Mountain?
Space Mountain. And which one was the last one? Had a long name. I can't even say it.
The railroad one?
Railroad Mountain. Whatever. That one was fun too. But Space Mountain was really fun because I'd never been on it. And Indiana Jones also was so good because I had not been on that one in a very, very long time. But it was a good time, and we didn't have to wait so long. The only time we actually waited was for Indiana Jones, right?
Yeah.
Indiana Jones was the only ride we actually didn't have the multi-pass thing for. Yeah, it went by pretty quick, so it was fine. And yeah, now we're just resting. We're tired, but it was a really good day. And I think AJ's favorite one was Tiana's adventure. That was good, but we just got so wet, and it was a second ride when we got there, so we were all wet, but it was good. So now we rest. Day 2, going to California Adventure today, and we are ready. Well, first coffee, then the park. It's so cold. Just came for the sunset, but the sun's already gone. But now it's so cold. It's like way colder than when we came on Tuesday night. And even though it was raining and like very cloudy, it's way colder today. We don't have anything to make a fire. Plus it's super busy, so we're just here chilling. The kids are in the water, kind of. But just here sitting down because we're freezing. We didn't stay at the park too long. I think we left like at 5:30. We were tired, and the kids got on all the rides they wanted, so it was fine. We had fun. We had a good time. We ate a lot. And now we're here, and just trying to chill for a little bit. But it's definitely a cool day. We're because it's already 7:05. So I don't know. I'm just gonna be here for a little bit and then go and get the kids something to eat. So that's what we're doing. That's our update. We might stay another day here. We'll see. But so far so good. Mango's cold. He also covered himself from head to toe. Look, my nephew. He's freezing. He ain't even going anywhere near the water. Nowhere near the water. And same here. Just staying kind of far away from it.
I think I got burned. My face was
Probably. Luisito's face, so uninterested. AJ smiling. Mondo ready for the shot.
I didn't even realize you were filming.
Leilan in the back. Okay, we are on our way to Grand Market Central?
No, Grand Central Market.
Grand Central Market, and then we were looking at the website right now, just deciding what we want to try. We need coffee for sure, and then I'm thinking pupusas is gonna be like the first thing I want to try. I want a taco. I want maybe an empanada, little ice cream at the end, and that's what we're gonna be looking out for. But Mondo said we're 40 minutes away right now, so it's gonna be a little bit of a long drive, but hopefully worth it. Everybody already looked at the menu, so at the vendors. We look at the vendors and their menus. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. We're staying another day. We were supposed to head out today, but we decided to stay one more day, so we'll be going home tomorrow, Saturday. AJ, bomb or what? We are walking back to the car now. We are so full of everything we tried. It smells like miados here.
Like what?
It smells like pee.
Bueno. Where are we?
We're in downtown LA. We're just chilling and then we're gonna go have dinner in a little bit. But it's just too relaxing here. That milk looks so cute and aesthetic. I know.
This one they give you a soda.
Pour it in. Let me see your plate before you do more damage to it. That's pretty good. Besitos looks good too. Finally leaving, guys. It's 12:30 and we are barely taking off. Mondo had to put some gas after the little arcade. We had breakfast, went to the little arcade, gas, and now we are about to take off. It's still so gloomy.
Oh.
It's still so gloomy.
It is.
Just dropped it.
So gloomy, so gloomy. And yeah, it's just time to head home now. Bye.